Guys, so a lot of people ask us, what is it like? How do you guys have 10 kids? What's it like to be in a big family? And although we're a normal family, we don't do everything right or perfect or anything like that. There's a lot of things that we do that we think we're pretty good at and that make us cohesive.
Hey guys, my name is Malachi. I'm 17 years old. I'm the oldest and I am a wrestler.
Awesome. As part of our way of giving back, we've been doing a lot of different things that really creates family. The congressman.
Hey guys, I'm Jeremiah. I'm 12 and I'm in speech and student congress.
Whoop, whoop. Now, there are a lot of things that we are not perfect at. So again, we will be the first to say, would you all agree we are not perfect?
Hi, I'm Zion and I am 11, the third oldest, and I like soccer.
Whoop, whoop. However, there are a lot of things that we have done right and we're doing right that we felt, you know what? There are people that have less people in their family that really could benefit from the things that all these awesome people here have been doing.
Hey guys, I am Genesis. I'm 9, almost 10, and I'm the 4th oldest, and I really like gymnastics.
Nice.
Where there's a lot of things that we do that, you know, it's more of an experiment. You guys know that as parents. Anytime you're a parent, it's more of an experiment than it is anything.
It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
So there's some things that we try that we've been doing for years that we'd love to share with you guys that we think are kind of outside of the box that help build our kids into, I guess we're looking more for help build them as far as their character.
Spartans! What is your profession?
Or who they are. So we'll share those in videos with you as we go. Really just what it's like to be a part of a family.
Absolutely.
What it takes to raise a family of 12.
And part of the reason we're doing this, if you look back maybe 1500s, 1600s, there was only 2 classes, rich and poor. That's it. And you'll find that the rich people, the one that had plantations and estates, they literally prepared their children to be what they call cultured.
A man who has not prepared his children for his own death has failed as a father.
Cultured. They would teach them French. They would teach them all these things that prepare them to take on the mantle of the next generation of wealth. And they literally went out of their way to teach them all these things, piano and the like. And so there are a lot of things that we find that in today's day and age, we've literally given up almost that responsibility to school.
Did I do that?
We've given it up to everyone else but ourselves. And so we felt, you know, let's bring it back home. And so there are a lot of things that we've been doing to bring back that responsibility back home. And you're going to see that as we go through. So I think you're going to enjoy it.
I'm Hadassah, and I'm 8 years old, and I really like cooking.
Nice.
And she's a good cook.
And she's a good cook, plus an awesome mommy junior.
Hello, my name is Zeka, and I'm 8 years old. I like football and soccer.
Nice. All right.
My name is Enoch, and I'm 5 years old, and I love playing at school.
Nice. And you're super strong, right?
No.
All right, what's your name?
Yeah.
And how old are you, my man?
3.
And what's your favorite thing to do?
Playing marble games.
Playing marble games. Sweet.
Nice.
All right, this is our second set. This is our second set of twins. This is Talitha and this is Zipporah, and they were born the day before our first set of twins, which are these two. Her and Zechariah, who escaped over to the craft table. We've been doing car projects for a good minute. You guys have seen a few of the kiddos that have helped out, but you're going to start seeing more of them because everyone but probably these two have helped out.